Hello, good morning, and this is my day 203. So I realized that watching videos that the most important part is the sound. So I was about to look, or I'm currently downloading videos about which mic should be the best mic that I can use so that I can record. So it's not really just me recording these instances because I do want to have a project. It may it might be my hobbies for the near future. It would be either vlogging, not really what I did or what I'm currently doing. It's more like a travel vlog where I'm not traveling or I'm not vlogging my travel, but instead the scenery, and then narrating some bits of the things that happen and the story. So I really want to emphasize on putting art in general. So I have been watching Life of Riza. I've been watching some cinematics as well. So cinematic videos that I want to recreate. Not really recreate for an instance, but I really wanna share some message as well that I think will resonate for a lot of people in the same situation as me. So it's not really just myself providing the information. I just want to create something memorable while I'm still my 20 or while I'm still young. And yeah, that's pretty much the drive that I have right now so that I would produce a better video. And building or buying a mic would be my first step, since it would signals to me that you already made the purchase, you need to go through it. So if I happen to not vlog for this year or for the next year, I would be doing a video essay, so where I reviews animes that I watch, or movies that I watch, or books that I read. And I'm currently thinking of doing two animes right now. So the one that impacted me the most for this year, so you can say it was a bit recency bias, but it would be the a place further than the universe. It makes me want to do something great. And the Hibike Yoponium, it resonates the improve